Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm sharing with you guys the subscription service. Now I wanted to try it out and I'll give you my final thoughts on everything once I get in this video. Now I'm refilming this video because the first time I filmed this video I realized like things were cut off, and yeah, so we're refilming this video. So the company or the brand is called Cocotique, and I heard of this brand because I saw another YouTuber talking about it a while back, and I finally had an urge to subscribe so I can see what their products are about. I did get this package, I believe, last week, and I don't know if there's something wrong with their system, but I'll get into all that nitty gritty at the end. I just want to get into the actual unboxing of the thing. So it did come in a, so the package came in an actual box, but when I opened up the box, it came in this bag right here, and it says it's the melanin magic for me. It's the melanin for me. And on the bottom it says Cocotique # self-care in a box. So I thought that was really cute. That they actually have a bag, signature bag, for their products. So the first product, so before I even get into the products, it's Palmer's. By the way, they did have a card, so just labeling the products. This is the Cocotique times Palmer's Takeover box. It says celebrate your melanin magic, and then on this side is just the 5 products that I received. So I received pretty much, like, I think all the collection. There may be other stuff, but you know, standard collections have shampoo, conditioner, yada yada. So let me get into the products. So the first thing I'll start with, I guess, is their shampoo. I just pulled it out. I wasn't sure if it was, but this is the Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula Moisture Boost Shampoo. It says created for all curl patterns and textures with Tahitian Manoi. So I have a oil with Tahitian Manoi currently that I like. So I'm hoping that I like this, because when I tried their other Palmer's line, if you saw my influencer unboxing, the only thing that after I tried the line again, the only thing that I did like was the deep conditioner. But I won't say it was my fave. Like, I use it when I use it. But everything else I didn't really love. And the cream, I think I have the styling cream, something like that. That's the only thing I really liked in that line. I didn't like everything, like shampoo, conditioner. I didn't like anything. So hopefully this one, because it's a moisture boost, it'll probably be better. So yeah, this is what this looks like, and all of the things are full-size products. Okay, the next thing I will share with you guys, I guess, is the conditioner. So interesting, the shampoo was the only thing that came in one of these bags, but the conditioner didn't. So the conditioner is same packaging though in terms of the bottle. It's Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula, the Moisture Boost Conditioner with the Tahitian Manoi as well. And if you guys just want to know, like, a fun fact about this, so the Tahitian Manoi coconut oil, it contains fatty acids that quickly and deeply absorb into the hair strands, adding and sealing in moisture to keep hair shiny and manageable. And the Tahitian Manoi oil, the Tahiti flowers are soaked in coconut oil to increase moisture and restore elasticity. I never know how to say that word, while imparting an indulgent, tropical, delicate scent. So I can definitely see this smelling good, but yeah, this is conditioner. Okay, the next thing is their oh, well, I want to go in order. So the next thing I'm going to show you guys. So this is the Moisture Boost Leave-In Conditioner. Same thing to Tahitian Manoi as well. So the leave-in conditioner is not a cream, it's actually a spray. So some people may not like that. I generally don't use sprays unless like I'm doing a refresher, but sometimes I will use it. And when I say refresher, like if I have box braids or something like that and I refresh my hair, that's when I normally use like a spray leave-in conditioner. but I mean, I don't mind trying it out. It's very seldom though that I use these on my natural hair, or if I'm refreshing my hair, that's when I generally use like a spray leave-in. But and then the next thing, I was trying to do them in order. So the next thing is their Moisture Boost Curl Defining Cream. So hopefully, you know, when you use this, then, you know, the moisture will be good in sealing the hair. But it actually says perfect for wash and go, but I don't know if I would. You know me and wash and goes is hit and miss. Perfect for wash and goes, diffusing, finger curls, twist, and braid outs. And they also said rod sets. Interesting. And lastly, thing that I got is the last thing that I got is the Moisture Boost Hair and Scalp Oil. So literally this packaging, I was gonna say literally this packaging is exactly like the coconut, what do you call this, the shea butter line, whatever. Like I said, from that line I like their skincare more than I do their hair care. But yeah, the packaging, I have exactly the same thing, which I didn't even use the other one. The hair and scalp oil, the same bottle, just like this, but just it being the coconut line. And I believe the Palmers, I didn't get a full size of the Palmers from the shea butter, whatever line. I got packets, and I got it from Influencer. So if you never heard of Influencer, I have a whole spiel on that. But they give you a lot of free stuff. You can get free hair products, free wellness products, vitamins, etc. You can get, people have even gotten clothes. I haven't been fortunate to get that, but I know one year they had a box where they were like giving jeans and undergarments, so you could be lucky to get any of those stuff. But anyway, so those are all the products. So I got the shampoo, I got the conditioner, I got the cream, curl defining cream. I'm trying to hold them all at once, this struggle. I got the leave-in conditioner, and I also got the hair and scalp oil. Like I told you guys, I have oils to last me. Oh, I just dropped them. As I told you guys, one just fell, and that's okay. We're just going to leave it there. As I tell you guys, I have oils to last me a lifetime. So I don't even know if I'm going to get into this oil or not, because I just have other products. The other products, as for my final thoughts, I can't really give you my thoughts on the actual collection. If you guys want to see it, other Palmer's line that I tried, so we'll see. The only con that I don't like is that I wanted to skip or potentially cancel, and on the website it won't allow me at all. And then I emailed them, and then they're just like, so what do you want to do? Do you want to skip? And no, now I've gotten no response back after that, and I've said I just want to cancel it, and they never responded. So they're just gonna, in my opinion, just keep on charging me, and that's going to be a problem because I don't want to be charged. So I'm going to have to hassle them again. I don't know if they have a number, but I need to go look for it, because it looks, and I don't think, when I saw the contact thing, I think you can only email them, which is annoying, and I think that's why they purposely do it, because they don't want to answer emails. So that's what I didn't like. I think that's my major con, because I feel like as customer service, you guys should have a working website. I don't know if that's an issue for everybody right now, but I've tried multiple browsers. I've tried on my phone, and I still can't. I can go into my account, because I had to make an account. I can go into my account, but I can't cancel subscription. I can't skip a month. I can't do anything. Once I get to those tabs, it's like a blank screen. So that's my main issue right now with Cocotique, and hopefully they can improve that. I just want to keep it real. Yes, I love supporting Black-owned businesses, but I think that was one of the biggest things, is customer service. You know, people, yes, they got back to me, but then after the fact, when I said, you know, I want to cancel, nobody said anything. So even if I wanted to skip, like, they automatically thought I just wanted to skip. I'm like, well, that's not what I want to do, and nobody responded back to me. And then I think I got a generic thing in my spam inbox of, like, just like frequently asked questions, but that's not my issue. My issue is I can't skip anything, and I can't use the site. So it's a site issue. Not like I don't understand how this works. But yeah, so that's enough of that spiel. That's my comment. You subscribe. Let me know if you ever heard of Cocotique, or this is probably your first time hearing about the subscription service. From what I know, everything that they mainly provide is natural hair and like skincare products. That's normally what you get in the boxes. I actually thought I was getting skincare when I first opened it, because it says self-care in a box. But if I think about it, you know, self-care is also doing your hair. Self-care is not only, you know, taking care of your skin, lighting a candle in your room. Like, there's just different things of self-care is doing your nails. So yeah, but yes, that is it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, you subscribe, you hit the notification bell and that subscribe button so that you're notified every time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.